Israel's intelligence agency Mossad is reportedly facing a major internal shakeup following the Iran war. According to the Israeli media, Mossad director Roman Goffman, he removed two of agency's senior officials who were allegedly involved in planning a covert operation aimed at toppling Iran's leadership. The reported strategy, it was ambitious. It allegedly involved using Kurdish fighters and anti-government protests, basically as part of a broader attempt to trigger regime change in Tehran. But according to the reports, the plan failed, and now the reported removal of senior officials is raising a lot of questions about what went wrong. Now, this is very important because Mossad is one of the world's most closely watched intelligence agencies. For years, Israel has relied on intelligence operations just to monitor Iran's nuclear program, military capabilities, and regional network. Covert operations have played a major role in the Iran-Israel confrontation, but regime change, it is completely different objective. Trying to influence events inside another country is far more complicated than carrying out a targeted intelligence operation. You need networks, you need information, you need local support, and above all, you need to correctly understand the political mood inside the country you are trying to influence. Well, if the reported operation relied on Kurdish groups and anti-government protests, then its success it would have depended on a chain of events inside Iran that Israel could not completely control, and that is where covert strategies can become extremely risky. A government can calculate military capabilities. Yes, it can estimate the missile range, it can monitor the aircraft, but predicting what an entire population would rise to against it depends on something else. The reports of Mossad shakeup it came alongside Iran's own claims that it has arrested more than 20 people accused of spying for Mossad here. But again, these are Iranian claims and individual verification that has not been done. But together, the development it points towards something bigger here. The Iran-Israel confrontation it did not simply disappear when open hostilities stopped. The covert war continues. Intelligence operations continue to collect information. Security forces continue looking for suspected network. And both the ends are trying to understand what the other side knows. And this is the part of geopolitics that rarely appears in dramatic missile footage. And yes, there is another war that is happening very quietly. A war of intelligence, infiltration, recruitment, counterintelligence. And when senior intelligence officials they are reportedly removed after a failed strategy, well, it definitely raises one unavoidable question. What did the operation get wrong? Was it the intelligence? Was it the assessment of Iran's internal politics? Was it the choice of partners? Or was regime change itself simply too ambitious? Well, those answers may remain classified for years now, but the reported shakeup it shows that intelligence failures can have consequences even at the highest level. And yes, all of this brings us to one place where military conflict becomes everybody's problem. The Persian Gulf, where a regional crisis it can quickly turn into global economic shock.